Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my lovely kids and dear parents. Our today video is about pre-writing activity for the child. In this activity, the child will draw anything which he wants to draw. This activity is inspired by the Montessori sand tray. I use flour for this activity. You use also the salt for this activity, but never use the rice for this activity. The child will love this activity. So we are going to start our today video. Now let's get started. In the last video, we introduced the letter C. So we are going to draw the letter C on floor. C. C. The child will love this activity and want to do this activity by himself. After introducing how we write the letter C on floor, the child will want to draw the letter C by himself. But never stop the child if the child is not correctly write the letter C. Parents can also use this Montessori material sandpaper language card for their child in pre-year for pre-writing activity. This will enhance the confidence of the child for their upcoming step for writing the actual letter or anything on their notebook or worksheet. In the end, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz.